Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Tarifat Alam, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology and Therapeutics, Ad-Din Hafiz Medical College, Khulna. Dear students, welcome you all to my video class. My today's topic is antibiotic resistance. Now definition of antibiotic resistance. Bacteria are said to be resistant if their growth is not inhibited by the maximal dose of an antibiotic that is tolerated by the host. Antibiotic resistance is mainly caused by overuse and misuse of antibiotics. Now, types of antibiotic resistance. There are two types. Number 1, natural resistance. Number 2, genetic or acquired resistance. Natural resistance. Some microbes have always been resistant to certain antimicrobial agents. They lack the metabolic process or the target site which is affected by the particular drug. For example, gram-negative bacilli are unaffected by penicillin G. Aerobic organisms are unaffected by metronidazole. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is insensitive to tetracyclines. Genetic or acquired resistance. Development of resistance by an organism due to use of an antimicrobial agent over a period of time. Acquired resistance may be chromosomal or extrachromosomal. Chromosomal resistance is due to the mutation in the gene that occur spontaneously among microorganisms. This is called vertical transfer of resistance. It is relatively slow and less common process for development of antibiotic resistance. Extrachromosomal resistance. Here transmission of gene occur from one organism to another organism in the form of plasmid. What is plasmid? Plasmid is an extrachromosomal circular double-stranded DNA. This plasmid contains R gene, which is known as resistant gene. Extrachromosomal resistance, also known as horizontal transfer of resistance, and is the commonest and most important mechanism for development of antibiotic resistance. In this process, antibiotic resistance is acquired by conjugation, transduction, transformation. Now, what is conjugation? In conjugation, gene transfer by direct cell-to-cell contact through a sex pilus or bridge occur. Genetic transfer by conjugation is common among gram-negative bacilli. Conjugation is the main mechanism for a spread of antibiotic resistance, and it is one of the important mechanisms for development of single and multi-drug resistance. Transduction. Genetic transfer may occur through bacteriophages. Virus which infect the bacteria is known as bacteriophages. Here, plasmid-mediated resistance occurs when a bacteriophage which contains bacterial DNA and transferred to another bacterium of the same species. This process is more important in the transfer of antibiotic resistance among strain of Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Now, transformation. It is the less common process for development of acquired antibiotic resistance. It is the uptake of free DNA released into the environment by other bacteria. Now, different mechanisms of bacterial resistance to antimicrobial drugs. The four main mechanisms by which bacteria exhibit resistance to antibiotics. Number 1. Production of enzymes that inactivate the drugs. The resistant bacteria elaborates an enzyme that inactivates the drug. For example, beta-lactamase, which inactivates beta-lactam antibiotics. Acetyltransferase, which inactivates chloramphenicol. Acetyl phospho and adenylyl transferase, which inactivate the aminoglycosides. Number 2. Alteration of drug binding site. Modification of the target site so that the antibiotic binds less effectively. For example, alteration of penicillin binding protein, which causes resistance to penicillin and other beta-lactam antibiotics that act by binding with the penicillin binding protein. Alteration of DNA-dependent RNA polymerase causes resistance to rifampicin. Alteration of DNA gyrase causes resistance to fluoroquinolone. Number 3. Decreased drug accumulation in the bacteria. It is occur either due to increased energy dependent efflux, causes resistance to tetracycline, macrolides, fluoroquinolones, or mutation affecting envelope components and affect the accumulation, resulting resistance to aminoglycosides, tetracycline, beta-lactam, chloramphenicol. Number 4. Alteration of metabolic pathways. Development of an alternative pathway that bypass the reaction inhibited by the antibiotics. For example, sulfonamide resistance can occur from overproduction of para-aminobenzoic acid. Students, see this diagram. This diagram shows the difference between effect of drug in a non-resistant organism and resistant organisms. In non-resistant bacteria, here bacteria multiply and causes infection, but with drug treatment, the bacteria die. But in case of drug-resistant bacteria, these resistant bacteria multiply and causes infection, but with drug treatment, these bacteria continue to spread. Because the non-resistant bacteria are more virulent and difficult to kill them. Nowadays, antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest threats to global health. Because resistant microbes are more difficult to treat, requiring higher doses or alternative medications, which is more toxic and more expensive. So, we have to limit antibiotic resistance. By the following way, we can limit the antibiotic resistance. Number 1. Avoidance of indiscriminate use of antibiotics. Number 2. Use of combination of antimicrobials in appropriate circumstances, for example, tuberculosis, leprosy. Number 3. Constant monitoring of resistance in hospital and community. Number 4. Restricting drug use. By limiting the use of newest member of a group of antimicrobials. This is all about my today's topic. Thank you.